Alright, so this is a Razer Quad, and it was 24 volts, and a buddy of mine got together and we put a new controller in there. It was kind of sucked. I'm not really electrically inclined. So it was kind of crappy trying to figure out what part of the controller did what, but we did. And we had this thing running, and had to change the charging port to a different spot. So there's like a little charger right there. Charger's there, rather than coming out this little hole here. But overall it was good, you know. After the controller was in, we were still able to use the normal handles and stuff. However, the low charge light doesn't work anymore because it's a new controller, so it just kind of dies after a while. Yeah. So anyhow, the old batteries are this size. What is this? This is one of the batteries that came with the Razer Quad. Okay. There. And these three are the batteries that I was using running 36 volts. So I bought like a volt up kit. So that's 12, 24, 36, and it's running is it a series, I think. And I think it's a series. It goes from positive to negative to positive to negative. It's like a. Anyways, so I bought the Mighty Max battery, 36 volt upgrade batteries. There's 1, 2, and it comes in 2 packages with 3 batteries. And what sucks is they're a lot bigger. So, I mean, that's good, right? I mean, I hope it's good. I hope they're bigger and better. I hope they're just not like bigger and suck. Anyhow, we're trying to sort out how to get these in here. And you can see here, I just bent this part down. I mean, he's had it for like 3 years now. It's no gem, you know. And I'm trying to, because these batteries are so big, they don't fit. Like I can't even go 1, 2, 3 because I'm already into the frame, tube frame or whatever. So I'm gonna squish that plate down. I'm gonna try to do them like that, but like in there. I'm thinking up here then, there might be enough room for one more battery in that space. But I gotta change that sheet metal too. So yeah, I'm happy that the batteries are so big, but looks like I have a little bit of work to do. Not a ton, but it's just a matter of fitting it and then hooking it all back up the same way it already was. So we'll see what happens. Okay, so I'm doing this. They're kind of like side by side in the back section, and then the third battery is in the front. That's my little sheet metal thing from before, but I just kind of pounded the frame all down flat. It's ugly, but it's all gonna be covered up with this whole like shroud thing, like this here is covered. So I guess I can kind of leave it ugly and just, I guess if he tips it over, he's got bigger problems than the battery look. But, so I think if I can secure them, I'll have nice new setup, and I hope all the stuff works. Like I hope the charger works and everything. It's all the same voltage, you know. So let's see. I'm gonna plug some stuff in. It looks like they all fit in there. You can see the 1, 2. There we go. Maybe we get dark. The 2 are side by side back there, and then this one's in front of them, perpendicular to them. They're all kind of dry weather run. I haven't put any goo on, like seal on the points or anything, but it's just kind of zip tied in there. The reason I did that is because I did that with the last one, and it's only been a couple years, and already time to change it. So see what happens. Plus, this thing is really solidly, after it's bolted down here and here, is really solidly gripped to the sides. Those batteries right in that area, so this thing's really hugging them. And that's the things that's hugging. Those are kind of pushing on that, so it can't go far. Let's see what happens. What's up, guys?
Hi.
You ready to try it, Ty? So there's 3 batteries. He changed them out and took off on me like 30 minutes ago. So he's still just hogging on that throttle. Obviously the motorcycle's running out of juice now, but that wasn't fully charged when it started. Hunter, take that one to my barn. Yeah, my garage. Yep. Silas! He thinks he needs to go to this barn, but the charger's in the other barn. So here's what it looks like after new batteries and about 30 minutes of use overall. Go to the gray barn.
Is Riley Mason still here?
We'll check. Go to the gray barn.